Puppyoo Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Feel refreshed and revitalized with the Puppyoo T12 Vacuum Cleaner. With 29 kPa high suction vacuum, twice than any cordless vacuum to wipe out 99.996% of dust wherever. This vacuum cleaner will turn your home clean and tidy. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Magnetic dust cup. Easily pull out without disassembly or lightening. Number 2. OLED Display Screen. Prompt working status and fault tracing. Number 3. Storage and charging station. The convenient storage box houses all attachments and charges the cleaner. Number 4. Mattress Brush Head. Suitable for fabric surfaces such as beds, sofas, car seats. Proven to capture particles as small as allergens and bacteria. Number 5. Double Rollers Brush Head. Cleaning different types of floors without changing brush head. Suitable for hard floors, carpets, stairs, tiles, and tatami. Number 6. 2-in-1 Wide Mouth Brush. Press the button to achieve brush telescopic. Retract the brush to be suitable for flat surfaces such as tabletops. Pull out of the brush to clean keyboards, curtains, chandeliers, and other irregular surfaces. Number 7. Flat Nozzles. Clean narrow areas such as gaps, window grooves, push-pull doors, etc. Number 8. Soft Feather Brush. Suitable for upholstery, furniture surface, curtain, clothes, etc. Number 9. Telescopic Hose. Extend the brush head to all corners and clean all the ends. Number 10. Intelligent, super powerful cordless vacuum. 29000 PA suction power. Double the suction of any cordless vacuum. 3 adjustable modes. Intelligently optimized suction across all floor types. Hard floors, carpet and stairs. Long-last battery. 2500 mAh x 8. Up to 60 minutes of run time. Designed for larger homes. The actual run time will vary based on mode, floor type, attachments used. Number 11. Double Brush Rolls. Designed with both carbon fiber bristle and high-density soft nylon brush. Glide from carpets to hard floors with 2 brush rolls working together in 1 brush head. Mattress Cleaning Brush Head. Up to 99.9% cleaning rate. Suitable for fabric surfaces such as beds, sofas, car seats. Number 12. 6-stage Filtration Cordless Stick Vacuum. High-efficiency cyclone technology. A double filter on the motor's front and rear sides prevents secondary dust during use. H10 Level front divided by H12 Level rear. HEPA filtration traps 99.996% of the dust as small as 0.3 microns. 0. 42-liter magnetic dust cup. No need to disassemble and easy to empty. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can the motorized mattress brush remove mite? Answer: yes, by using the brush. It can clean 99.9% of the mites. Question number 2. How to clean the filter? Answer: remove the filter slightly and dump the dust. You can also clean the filter with water. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.